What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this 1973 Volvo 142 GL, and I have been looking for this forever. This is from the Auto Stress set, so I think the next best car in the set is this BMW M3 E46, and inside this set has the Mercedes-Benz 280 SCL, it has the Alpine A110, and it has a Lamborghini Urus. So I have everything in the set except that Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL. And I don't know if I'm going to unbox the Alpine and the Lamborghini yet. So you guys tell me in the comments below if you want me to do that. But this I definitely want to get open. So let's get right into it. We will be putting this on the turntable for you guys. And I actually didn't find this one at the store, even though we took a vacation and we looked at a bunch of different Walmarts. There was even some Kroger's there. We were looking at a whole bunch of stuff. We couldn't find this, but we still got this at the AceDiecast store, which I will be putting the card in at the end of the video. So let's just leave this here, because this has some really nice card art. And here it is. This car looks like the paint on it would do well on a super treasure hunt. And honestly, I like how the wheels are done. I like how they're chrome and how they have those nice 6 spokes. And I also like the fact that it's like a lowrider look. The detail is amazing on the front, and on the sides it's good. On the back it's good. It's just a really clean car. Has a nice exhaust on it. See that? That's pretty cool. But yeah, here it is, and we'll throw it on the turntable for you guys. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It'd be greatly appreciated if you like, subscribe, do all that. Hopefully we will be getting some really good views by the end of this month, next month. I have been doing really well on views recently, but these videos are the videos that I will be making mostly, these unboxings and these hunts in the stores and stuff like that. So these are the ones that are really going to need to get up there with the views. But yeah, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could share the video. That would help me a lot. But thanks for watching, like, subscribe, do all that. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.